We have responded to COVID, I feel, in the most pragmatic way possible, trying to keep morale high and stress low. Every adult in school wears a mask, and all secondary students do so too. Hand washing or sanitising is a must every time the students leave the classroom. I believe that we will be more prepared if we have to go to distance learning again. We have continued to upskill our staff and work with the students on Google Classroom and other apps that we feel will be necessary. We would prefer not to have to go into lockdown again, but if we do, we have every confidence in the quality of the learning that will take place on and offline. Parents wear masks in and around school when they pick up their children. Snacks are eaten in the classroom to avoid the sharing of food. And sadly, we have no birthday cakes or treats in school at the moment. Classrooms and other areas are disinfected at least twice a day, as are the buses used for the school transport. Parent-teacher meetings are being held by video conferencing and most internal meetings are held over Zoom.
Donc dans la classe, il y a du scotch par terre et ça délimite la zone des profs. Et quand les profs ils sont dans cette zone, ils peuvent retirer leur masque. Mais quand nous on est dans cette zone où eux ils sont pas dans cette zone, ils doivent mettre le masque pour protéger que le virus circule. Il faut aussi se laver les mains avant chaque récré et après chaque récré. On a 2 chaises par table ou une, mais si on en a 2, il y a une chaise qui est en face du tableau et une qui est sur le côté pour que ce soit encore plus loin de l'autre personne.
There is changes because, for example, in dance, now we have dance and there's some stuff in dance that you need to touch each other, and because of COVID we couldn't do those stuff and the teachers wear masks and you have to open the doors and windows in the class, and it's changed the area a lot.
Since September, we have had a few cases of COVID, but only ever after a holiday. We have never had a cluster form in school, thanks to everyone's hard work, and I applaud all of the staff for what they have done to keep everyone safe.
Well, COVID is a very fluid situation, as everybody knows. So we're constantly adapting and changing. What was suitable in April may not be suitable now. We have introduced new measures for our administration team. We have plexiglass to protect our staff. The academic team are ensuring that the children are regularly washing their hands before they move from place to place. Over 12-year-olds all wear masks in school. All adults wear masks and wash their hands when they arrive in school. We have an extra disinfection at lunchtime of all door handles, light switches, touchable surfaces by the children. And then again, extra measures every evening whenever school closes. At Haut-Lac, we've always used sustainable cleaning products which already have disinfectant in them. Unlike many schools, Haut-Lac gets a full clean every evening, and we've just added an extra layer to that where there is a second disinfection and an aerosol disinfection in every room. We can see the proof of that. There have been a few cases of COVID in the school community, and it hasn't transmitted within the school community. So we know what we're doing is right. With the help of the environmental committee and the marketing team procured reusable masks, which are sold at not-for-profit, just to cover the cost, and we've had a good uptake of people using them. We see lots of students around the school wearing them, and most of the staff as well.
We feel we have been able to stay happy, safe and secure.